We recording. Gotta get the camera straight. Oh, okay. We good. Hey, welcome to Eric Illustrated. I got a banger video for y'all. Like, I heard this was an amazing game. I heard this was the game of the day. Heard when the overtime. You feel me? I think my boy Derrick Henry went crazy, like always, because he's the best running back in the league. You can't change my mind. Dalvin Cook good, but he ain't got none on Derrick Henry for real. But you feel me? Without further ado, you finna see what happened.
Pick things up a little different than they have been doing.
Okay.
So on third down, they blitz a corner. He's picked up. Jackson rolls out. Nice catch. And that is Dez Bryant with the reception. Now they say
Dez Bryant back on the field. Yes, sir.
Well. Passing game, the fullback, Henry, the tailback. And the play action fake to Henry. Tannehill.
Okay, he launched that move.
He body positions and is unable to hold it.
I thought he caught it.
Pass interference. Defense number 4.
Oh, it's pass interference. They still getting it.
Out and up. Great job. Inside leverage. Humphrey's got his hands all over him, and definitely pass interference.
Right across from Burster, who's in that slot. Here's a 3rd and 11. And they're able to dump it off.
Okay, AJ Brown?
No.
I mean,
they have to allocate
I probably said the wrong name. I'm tweaking.
2nd and 8. Across the middle. He's got Jonnu Smith. And a new set of downs at the 5.
All right, so they both in the score first?
This a 2nd and goal. Tannehill looking up top. He's got Smith open. And it's a touchdown.
Okay, so Tennessee scored first. All right.
His position in the league with most touchdowns. He's got his 8th of the season. Jackson's going to keep it after the fake handoff to Hill. He's got a first down.
We already talked about the loss of Stanley at left tackle, Yonda's retirement. You know, Brown, these receivers, they got to get going.
3rd and 10. Down the middle for the first. To
Mark Andrews, top 5.
Tennessee
tight end. Top 5.
2 less tight ends.
Boy,
they
Andrews.
played a lot last year. They're not healthy. One's gone. The other one's hurt. Make it about the team.
First down from the 15. Jackson, he's going to throw it. Launches it to the end zone. And it's away at the last moment. He's made 44 of 46 the last 2 years and had another one on.
7-3.
Good job.
7-3.
Getting the ball down.
First play of the game, out and up. Kind of going against that. That's why we said Baltimore, play inside. Don't let those plays happen.
Okay, Derrick. Okay. About a good 8 yards. Okay, first carry. This nigga average 127. Okay.
Until he got past the first down mark.
Oh, this nigga trying to turn up, fool. This nigga trying to turn up.
Hit his first 6 passes, but this one's going
he threw an interception. He sold it.
With the interception. And the run back inside the 30.
Tough.
The tackle to end the return, and just the 4th interception thrown this season. Just brought up from the practice squad. And there's Dobbins. Got a first
what Mark Ingram at? Don't he still play for the Ravens? Like, why he not on the field? He mustn't start no more. They got these, good set. Playing here, rookie J.K. Dobbins, that's his name? I forgot what school he played for.
Butler appears to be on him, giving him a lot of separation.
Okay.
Jackson, there was pressure, and he just unloaded it.
He is the Jim Nantz of the Ravens.
This could be the worst announcement.
All right, 7-6.
But nope, it's good again. 3rd and 7.
Tannehill.
Toss.
Good catch, boy.
Was Brown, and he's not able
AJ Brown.
Halftime report.
But
that's Dobbins. He wanted more carries, wanted a little more time.
These 2 teams are in it till the end with the way that they play.
2nd and 6. And Dobbins, 5th play of the drive. They've run it every down so far on this series. Going up top now. Going up top with the deep ball to the end zone, and it's broken apart at the end.
I'm finna say.
Yeah, and he matches up with a lot of the speed receivers, guys. He's got length.
Here's a 3rd and 13. 3rd and 13, and in traffic, it's Andrews. Jackson's pass was
that boy Mark Andrews is dangerous, bro. And he is a dangerous man. That boy a dangerous man for real.
Dobbins.
They scored.
Baltimore.
Okay. All right, Baltimore.
I mean, this is an incredible job on the inside.
Yeah, his name JK. Okay.
So watch the
I know a little
misdirection.
something, a lot of something. And they got a 2-point conversion. Wow.
Conversion.
Okay. 7-14.
Ups its lead to 14.
So this is a good game, I can tell.
So no first down since their opening drive that resulted in a score.
Okay.
Bootleg time. Tannehill was swaying out in front of him, throws a block. Sidesteps one defender, and he's got a big game without a catch. And that one's incomplete, right between actually two Tennessee receivers.
You're not going to win on third down, Tennessee. You have to win this game on first and second down.
Oh, they run a fake. And the pass is complete.
I think
why? I don't get why people say Dalvin Cook is a better running back than Derrick Henry. I get why, but Derrick Henry is clutch. That nigga is very clutch. Oh, okay. That nigga is very clutch, bro. Derrick Henry is clutch for real. People were trying to say he wasn't clutch, but he showed y'all he can be clutch. They give it to him. He gonna make you a play. Come on, bro. Yeah, crown that man. Get that man's crown. King Henry. All hail the king.
2nd and 10. Ngakoue got a hand on it. Traded just
like,
3 weeks ago from Minnesota to
the
Ravens, and he made his presence felt right there. From 40 to 49. This is right at 40. Daniel on the hold, and Gostkowski.
10-14.
Able to get it to Dobbins. And he fights for the first down. Dobbins the running back.
So y'all think I'll win the Super Bowl this year?
Jackson.
Honestly, I don't know. Mark Andrews again on the catch. Told y'all, my boy dangerous. My boy dangerous. Good catch, boy.
Jackson.
10-20. I don't know who gonna win the Super Bowl this year. My favorite team is the Packers. So I mean, I don't know. I want them to win the Super Bowl, but I don't know. I don't know who's gonna win though. It's gonna be It's gonna be a good Super Bowl. Okay, Corey Davis.
Beautiful grab by Corey Davis out of this formation against the Ravens. Oh, and it goes
Come on, Derek. We ain't teach you that at Belmont now. Come on, fool. You get the field goal. Yeah. We ain't teach you that at Belmont now.
You're not going to win it. Looking deep on first down, and here he goes.
Okay.
Slinging it to Barnett.
Oh, shit.
Hooker can get on his feet. And Duvernay does a good job.
Yep, he saw it.
Still wrestling him down at the 15.
So for bad experiences in the juice.
There's a completion for the first. Who's played better, Tony?
Wow, they're so far apart. It's pretty easy to call that one, but
Tannehill's pass.
Tannehill now.
Yeah,
just the lead.
That's a good throw. Amazing throw.
A lot of dirty work catches. Red zone.
Okay, Henry. Okay, Henry. Okay. That boy's unstoppable, man. Ain't too many people that's finna tackle him. There's not too many people. He's an automatic first down. What do y'all not understand? Not too many people who finna stop that. Not too many. I ain't gonna say he's not unstoppable, but it's very few people who can stop him. Very few in the NFL right now.
The hold and that kick is good. Hill splits wide to the right. Empty backfield as Jackson flings it, and they've got another conversion. How about Derrick Henry and Mark Ingram, both in this game? 42 touchdowns apiece. Their careers at Alabama is Jackson.
Well, they should have moved it up.
Here's the snap.
Y'all got it?
With a marker out.
False start.
False start.
Number 89. 5-yard penalty.
Bring it back.
Terrier.
What is this? How you said? But
Terrier. Is that?
Derriere. There it is.
Now there's a football term for you.
But you saw 89 with the false start.
Over the top, and it's incomplete. Andrews had a step on the defender.
What did it say? What did it say? D-boy from
Crucial time of the game is upon us.
Okay,
7 minutes left.
On feet. Okay. Okay.
Speed. He's been
First down.
on him for a long time, and he's showing it today, getting the chance with Breeze on IR. Here's a 2nd and 6. And another first down catch is made. They fake it to him. They were looking for A.J. Brown. It wasn't there, but they find Davis on the other side with a step on Peters.
They got 2 good wide receivers, though. The Titans, Corey Davis and A.J. Brown, still good.
Still in play.
Are they the best? No, A.J. Brown, he's up there. Oh, I ain't gonna say A.J. Brown, he like maybe top 20. I give him top 20. He top 10. He ain't top 10. I don't know if top 10. He top 10. Maybe top 15. I don't know. But he most definitely an amazing receiver. For real. But the Titans are such a run team, you know. They run the ball a lot. Look who they got. They got Derrick Henry, best running back in the league. Duh.
Goes to Brown. Brown trying to wiggle free.
Okay, AJ Brown, get big. Tell the boys to get big. I was just talking on your name, boy. Tell the boys to get big.
Catch, caught, tackled, basically.
Come on, man. He fought for that one. Fought a whole 14 yards. Come on, man. Come on, boy. Yes, sir.
You motion, you fake it to Henry, and you use it against him coming across.
Too late.
It's Tannehill untouched.
This boy got 2-point conversion. So that means for them, to go overtime. Baltimore had to kick the field goal.
Against an opponent 6-3.
That means somebody sold it. Or they had to change. They ain't convert.
Jackson sidearms it. That's
okay.
Snead breaking a tackle point. Lost the ball. Having squandered a 21-10 lead. It got a first down on that carry by Jackson.
This really got us into position moving forward. Both these teams desperately need this. I think they're both going to be in the playoffs, but the seeding, where you playing, who, it matters.
Okay.
Andrews.
Mark Andrews again.
Brings him out of bounds to stop the clock with 1:37.
Okay.
On first down. He's going to take off.
Okay.
And he's going to pick
up. He's moving the ball, though. He's moving that ball.
Advance to the 30. No pressure at all. No pressure at all on him. As he sidearms it to Dez. Gets a block by Dobbins.
Okay.
Down to the 14.
Okay.
They took, yes, but they're not using a timeout.
So here we go with Jackson. Middle of the field to Snead.
And they was this close and didn't score? Oh, man. How y'all this close and did not score?
Snead in motion to the right side.
Y'all sold it.
Slot to the right.
Y'all sold it, fool.
Here's Jackson buying time, buying all kinds of time.
What is he gonna do?
Anybody open? He's just
oh man! Y'all boys shut y'all down that last play. Man, don't tell me Tennessee won. Don't tell me Tennessee won.
2nd and 8.
Don't tell me.
Coming after him, and they finally get a sack, and he's down. The fumble was after he was down. We got 5 defenders from the 30th inning. There go Dobbins.
Don't tell me Tennessee won, fool.
And they're able to take him off the field.
Okay, let me see what they're gonna do with the ball. Okay. Good throw. Okay.
And as always,
Corey Davis.
He seems to get that added burst as the game goes on, and he had a big 4th. Davis.
Another good catch by Corey Davis.
Overtime. But you got to get this ball out of your hands.
2nd and 6.
Okay.
He's able to connect
with
A.J. Brown.
The catch.
A kick in overtime in this career.
Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, King Henry. Okay, my boy. That's what I'm talking about.
We talk about his second.
Get that man his crown.
It just starts to wear.
Get that man his crown. Best running back in the league.
Henry
can't nobody tell me nothing.
Get through the arm tackle.
Come on, man.
Tennessee survives.
Come on, man. Listen here. I don't care about no Dalvin Cook, none of that. This is the best running back in the league. You cannot tell me otherwise. Please explain to me how that Derrick Henry is built different, man. Come on, bro. Come on, fool. Be real, fool. Come on, fool. You can't, bro. I'm just saying, he do this consistently. Everybody say it with me. All hell King Henry. Because that's who he is. The best running back in the league. And I got time to argue. But without further, that's going to be it for this video, man. It was a good video. Good game. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Feel me? We straight lit over here. You feel me? We on the way up. But I'm catch y'all next video. Peace.